Manufacturing. The industry needs to be lean and mean to compete with the rest of the world. To do that, businesses need to hire the very best people. But some people still don't understand what modern manufacturing is.
Most people, when they come in our shop, have no idea what to expect, and when they go in the back and they actually are given a tour and see what modern manufacturing in America is, their preconceived notions are completely shattered.
The machines that we have in the back, the CNC machines, computer numerical control machines, are very high-tech. And if you look at the programming on there, you're working with 3D modeling, very similar to today's video games. So actually that skill set, if you like video games, if you like that kind of technology, get involved with this business.
The normal viewpoint of manufacturing is this dirty, grimy, darkly lit shop. And then they come in and they see everybody's using computers and electronics, it's well lit, it's clean. It's a nice environment to work in, especially in Florida in the summertime when you don't want to be outside in 90+ degree weather.
You can build some unique things that only your mind can imagine, and these machines can actually produce for you.
You want to be a thinker, but you want to do something with your hands as well. It's fun too, because you're being challenged and there's a high value on what you're doing.
Not only do these jobs pay well, there are rewards that go beyond money or benefits.
The passion of our employees is to make something start to finish. And that's something that a lot of people don't get in their jobs today. A lot of people are leaving jobs because they're not satisfied and coming here into the manufacturing environment because they can make something out of raw materials and make a finished product. And they feel good about that when they go home. And that satisfaction is what drives some of our long-term employees.
I came from the retail industry and moved here, and it's been amazing. It's one of my best moves I've ever made. And it's actually more rewarding, knowing that I put in a long day's work and hard work, but seeing that finished product again is just amazing.
We're building parts for satellite companies. And there's a lot of satellites up there in space, and it's great to be part of those things. And we're building components here that not many people can build elsewhere in the country, so you get that kind of pride and satisfaction of building something that not everybody else can do.
Manufacturing is fast-paced, challenging, and offers upward mobility.
Being a machinist, you're a draftsman, you're an inspector, you're a programmer. You can go all the way up the ladder. You can be the manager, CEO, anything.
Modern manufacturing people that are qualified to do the work are in high demand, and the pay and benefit structure for those jobs is excellent. As a lead programmer, a senior machinist / operator, many of the jobs in the field are paying in excess of $40,000 to $50,000 a year. The high end of the markets, I've heard over $100,000 depending on where you're working and how hard you want to work for it.
The skills and physical requirements of modern manufacturing mean that women are equally qualified for this career.
And manufacturing is not just for men anymore. Back 30, 40 years ago, it's for women too. I mean, we have about a 50-50 split for men and women here. And the women do work just as hard as the guys, and the guys even come to us when they're needing something, that we could help them with. Women,
And there are many women actually in this field, and if you have the opportunity, take it and run, because it's a career. It's for anybody.
This isn't your grandfather's or even your father's factory. This is something else. Manufacturing today offers careers that are attractive, with excellent pay and benefits, and that bring the opportunity to take projects from start to finish. Creating a product out of raw materials is a satisfying way to spend a day or a career.
My dad said, I think that would be amazing for you. I really do. I think that would be a very rewarding life for you. And so I'm happy. I'll never go back to my other occupations ever.